To be able to be crowned the first champion in the Asian Le Mans Series, that would be something very cool.
As always, we come to every race to try to win.
For us being there and fighting already in the first year is a great dream coming true.
Welcome to round 3 of the Asian Le Mans Series from Zhuhai in southern China. Coming up on the show, we'll have extended highlights of round 3 as the teams battle to win this prestigious championship. We'll get the lowdown on China's up-and-coming BBT team, and we'll find out why the Oak Racing team has travelled all the way from France to take part in the series. And we'll explore Ferrari's rich history in endurance racing, continued here by AF Corse. Plus, one of the main attractions away from the racing itself is, of course, the Grid Girls. We'll take a look at the whole entertainment experience of motor racing and how it's about much more than just the cars out on track. So sit back, hold tight, and join us for another round of the Asian Le Mans Series.